This is James Wade, CISO at MCS.
We're what we call a property preservation company. We work on residents that go into foreclosure, so we take care of their properties. I've been with the organization 17 years, and for the last 15 years of that, it's been all spreadsheets of risk assessments and questionnaires. So trying to manage internal audit program, external audit program with spreadsheets that long. When we found this product, I was quite relieved. With this tool, we're able to do our risk management, do our vulnerability management, and provide that information up to the board and keeping them informed. The technical team that we work with Diligent, I would explain to them what our problem was, and they were able to take that information and then come back with solutions. My first impressions, I saw the product in a demo, and then I just registered for the Diligent conference and just came. I didn't even have any of the product at all. So came with no knowledge of the product, but I was able to get around with all the project engineers, talk with some of the customers, see the demos, and I was like, oh yeah, this is what we need. It gives the board and even our C-suite more information about the risks of the company. We're about a year into this process, and it's been accepted well. With all these different cybersecurity situations that are happening, and some of those companies are affected by some of the cybersecurity things, and then they're seeing the strength of our program. It makes them feel more comfortable with where we are in terms of InfoSec. It's opened up a whole world of risk that we just did not have the visibility at all. And then when you're seeing all these different things that you can do with the tool, it just opens your mind up. The first goal was, let's get rid of these spreadsheets. That was number one. We mapped all of our policies right to those spreadsheets for all the companies. And then there's already built-in templates for NIST, for CIS, for SOC. We did the same thing with those. We're able to turn things around in a day or two with all the policies. We got into vulnerability management. We got into BidSite. We got into boards. We got into secure file sharing. I've had situations where we've had multiple products, and then something happens and you're trying to consolidate all this to figure out, put the pieces together. Well, now with this one platform, I bring all those types of things together. The risk manager piece I'm really excited about, because now it's kind of opened us up, because I'm bringing in more players. It's not just an IT-centric, world now. And so the C-suites, they're seeing, the things that we're pushing up, to the top that's coming out of the tool. Now they're coming to the table, providing their risk, and now we're getting a total picture. Something that we really want to represent honestly to the board. I'm seeing some of the integrations that's coming along with the cyber risk reporting that's coming. Moody's, is coming through. The advancements of AI. Through Diligent, we've been able to identify, areas of weakness of where we need to shore up in risk management. And we've been also able to elevate information up to our boards. Our mission is to be good stewards of our clients' information. And with the Diligent platform, we're able to do that through their tools.